Welcome to my channel, Little Fox Fun TV. Let's learn about the types of houses in the world. Number 1. Ranch house. Number 2. Cottage. Number 3. Mansion. Number 4. Bungalow. Number 5. Cabin. Number 6. Apartment. Number 7. Townhouse. Number 8. Castle. Number 9. Igloo. Number 10. Yurt. Number 11. Treehouse. Number 12. Boathouse. Number 13. Hut. Number 14. Hobbit hole. Number 15. Tent. Number 16. Lighthouse. Number 17. Villa. Number 18. Mobile home. Number 19. Farmhouse. Number 20. Hotel. Number 21. Skyscrapers. Number 22. Single family home. Number 23. Chalet. Number 24. House. Number 25. Basement house. Number 26. Cave house. Number 27. Annex. Number 28. Chateau. Number 29. Palace. Number 30. Underground house. Number 31. Fort. Number 32. Container house. Number 33. Beehive house. Number 34. Penthouse. Thanks for watching. Please press the bell icon to subscribe my channel.